Oh, Charlotte, pretty good? You like it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. It's Chris with the Home Dad. Today we're going to test out the brand new fire pit from Estoke, the Fuco. It's a 21-inch fire pit, and we're going to test it out to the older version that they have here. I got a little helper today, Charlotte. She's going to help me film this video today. What?
Your daughter's helping you.
Yes, my daughter's helping me today. I did a test on this one not too long ago, and we're going to compare the old versus the new. So we're going to cook what?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. We're gonna cook some hot dogs on this later tonight for dinner. It's a 21-inch fire pit, and it's a little bit bigger than the old one I have. That's different. This comes with a bag, it looks like. The older version did not come with the bag.
Looks like a pan.
Yeah. Looks like this is the bottom of it. Fire ring. Here is the pit. It is pretty, huh? Let's go over the main differences other than the size, because they make this in a 21-inch and it's exactly the same as this. It's just obviously 21 inches. Let's start with the main difference. This one square, this one's circle all the way around. Another difference is, let's go ahead and take these fire rings off. This one has an ashtray like this. This one doesn't have an ashtray. There's no ashtray in here. Your ashtray is gonna be right down there. So that's a big difference. So you can see how it doesn't, build quality wise, it's pretty good, pretty solid. Compared to this, not the same build quality, I would say. I believe that's gonna be the main differences. Let's get in to see how they perform. Dryer lint in each of these. You can put some of the wood in there, bud.
Where?
Over there.
That one in here?
Yeah, if it fits. Yeah. All right, we're about 10 minutes in. This one is smokeless, pretty much. I mean, like literally, I can only see the heat waves, not any smoke coming from this one. This one still has some smoke coming off of it. You can, if you can see it. It's getting to the smokeless point, but that thing's ablazing. I am super impressed at how smokeless this one is already. This one is blazing up though. And you can see the difference in the shape. That one's square, and this one is circle. All right, oh, there goes a little smoke, but I mean, hardly any. And again, I would have definitely got a 21-inch because I really like this size. They don't have any different size. This is the only size they have for the Fuco. But so if you were to go with this one, I would definitely go bigger than a 17-inch because this 21-inch is nice. All right, we're about 20 minutes in. Smokeless wise, I mean, they've both gone pretty much smokeless. I'll say the Fuco has less smoke than this one does, but I mean, they're both, again, pretty much smokeless. So I do think this one's performing a little better. These things are putting off a tremendous amount of heat. And after being from the back of it, I can see the difference in smoke. This one has less smoke coming off of it than this one does. They both are doing really well with their secondary burn. You can see it coming out the little holes on top. You can see it on the side there. Gosh, it's so hot to get close to, but it's coming right out of those holes, those little ports on the side. This one does too. All right, we're about 30 minutes in. Literally no smoke coming off of this one right now. There's still some smoke coming off this one, but it's hardly any. So this one is winning definitely in the smokeless. My camera is super hot and it's set up 6 feet away from these fire pits. They're putting off a great amount of heat. This would definitely keep 4 to 6 people warm around it. This one maybe not so much, it's not putting off as much, but it is smaller, so can't hold that against it. We're gonna let these things burn down a little bit more. Then we're gonna get some hot dogs, some buns, some chocolate, some marshmallows, and some graham crackers. And that's what our dinner's gonna be tonight, and our dessert. And we're gonna cook over the Fuko. Have a little cookout dinner, right?
Yep.
So once these burn down, we're gonna run to the store. We get back, we'll get them fired up. You'll get a nice night burn. I got one favor to ask. If you like these videos, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, we are back from Publix. We got some hot dog buns. Bars without marshmallows. Most important, love chocolate. Most important thing, what food is the most important thing? Food is definitely hot dogs. Everything that we got from Publix. Also, yeah, we're gonna have graham crackers. We didn't buy graham crackers at the store because we already had graham crackers at home.
Can you come put that all over here?
Put it in there. I told Sissy don't put it in there.
Thank you.
Stop, you're not my boss.
Who's the boss?
Sissy.
I'm the boss. Sissy, please. Here.
4.
That's right. Good job.
Why did the second Chico.
Got some dogs.
Can I help?
Yes. Hold it. Got it? You don't put it too far down in there. We don't want burnt dogs. Hold on.
Hot. The hot dogs are hot.
There you go. The hot dogs are hot. Ooh, sizzling.
Looks like a good hot dog.
How's the hot dog, Charlotte? Pretty good? You like it? Better with ketchup?
Yummy.
Really good?
Another one of those.
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
I got one. Dad, I can get a more.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that night burn. We sure did. We spent about an hour and 45 minutes out there cooking hot dogs and s'mores. I purchased all these items myself. This is a non-sponsored video, and if you're interested in looking at any of those products, I'll have them linked down in the description below. Now, my thoughts and opinions on the brand new Fuko East Oak 21-inch fire pit. I really like this fire pit. I really like the size of being a 21-inch. And again, if I could go back, I would change the size of the other two that I purchased. But the price of the camber, the 21-inch, is quite high. And you know the Solo Stove, those are also quite high. Definitely not worth going with the camber because, as I saw and tested out, is Fuko is more smokeless. I think the Fuko performs better than the camber. Visually, hardly any smoke during the day. You may see it a little more at night, but I mean, hardly any at all. Pricing wise, you can pick up the Fuko on Amazon for $139.99, and the camber right now on Amazon is super expensive, $269.99. Being that the Fuko performs better, I don't see why you would go and get a 21-inch camber for $269.99. It performs better, has less smoke, it comes with a bag. The only other thing that it doesn't come with that the camber did was a fire poker, but you know, that's not a big deal. And being that I enjoyed how it performed and the size of it, it's gonna take over the Solo Stove because it's a 15-inch fire pit that I have, and it's gonna take over the camber because it's a 17-inch fire pit. And I just enjoyed it much better. It's gonna be my main one that I'm gonna be using from here on out. The price to value, I mean, it's worth it. That's a no-brainer. The Fuko, compared to the camber, it wins on the price point, it wins on the smokeless performance, and it puts out a great amount of heat for 4 to 6 people to sit around comfortably. It worked well for s'mores, it worked well for hot dogs. I really enjoyed the fire pit, so it gets a thumbs up from me. That's gonna do it for us today. If you're looking for another video to watch, go check this one out right here about some more fire pits. You'll enjoy that one as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you next time.